just got home from work and had another delivery from Alta. This is my new focuser because my Sesto Senso kind of died. So got the Pegasus Astro Motor Focus Kit V2. There you go. So yeah, it's a quick unbox of this. It's clear right there, so I'm going to try and get it fit to the scope, get set up and get some imaging done this evening. Right, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing and you can see what's in there. The reason I went for this version was because I've recently bought the Pegasus Powerbox, Ultimate Powerbox version 2, and this, seeing as my Sesto Senso focuser died, this was a cheaper option because I can run it via the Ultimate Powerbox version 2. So they have the focus motor, bracket with universal fit-in, various adapters for different scopes, and some bolts and washers. So yeah, so first impressions is it's nice, as you'd expect from Pegasus Astro. Nice build in their trademark colours. So yeah, so I'm going to get this fitted on the scope and hopefully get some imaging done this evening. Right, so I've had a good few clear nights now with the new Pegasus focus motor version 2. I'm really impressed with it. It's just so easy to set up and it just worked first time. I'm running it through the Pegasus Ultimate Powerbox, which yeah, it's just made things so much easier again. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it. I was imaging the elephant trunk nebula, which I've processed now in SHO narrowband. So it's the first narrowband image this year. So yeah, I'll put that up at the end. So all in all, really pleased with the Pegasus stuff I've purchased. So that's the Ultimate Powerbox version 2, which was in the last video, and the Focus Motor version 2. That was obviously a replacement to the other focus motor, which is died. I think the USB connection's just gone on it, so I probably will be able to fix it, but I just needed something a bit more reliable. So yeah, so I'm well pleased. So yeah, I will catch you soon.